think this is probably what's been causing the blockage. Dust and crisp and nuts and all sorts, all stuck in here. Yep. My Dyson DC35 had been making a pulsating noise and cutting out every 8 seconds. The motor will just cut out, and I've got most of the debris out. I've also given it a slight clean by taking out this bit here and just getting rid of all the hairs. I'm just going to give it a once over again, and then I'll reattach it and see what happens. Right, I've reattached it now, and let's see if it works. Yep, that's it, all done. And that's what came out of this part here. So it's worth just troubleshooting and making sure the item is clean and is picking up, and make sure you're cleaning the filter in here as often as possible and emptying the bucket, the bin, every time you use it, basically. It just comes out there. Look, that's what I've just hoovered up just now. There.